Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Crystal and you're watching Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. So in today's video, I am going to be working with the Perception Kit by Shayla and ColourPop. And instead of doing a review, because we just have so many, I'm actually going to turn this into a 5-in-1 challenge. Now, these 5-in-1 challenges have been popular. I like them. I like doing them for you, and I feel like you like them. So I thought, what better way to jump into this palette than by doing a 5-in-1 challenge? So I'm going to be doing the 5-in-1 challenge, and since I have the whole kit, which includes eyeshadow, the lipstick, the lip gloss, and then the highlighters, I'm going to be changing up details on the face as well as the eyes. So if you want to see what I come up with, then stick around and keep watching the rest of the video.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet, no, 'cause I just wanna stay here right next to you, baby, yeah. 'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all. Maybe we can sleep in and skip work today. Then I'll make you scrambled eggs. We got no plans for the day. Let's stay inside and play video games. No, 'cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all.
Bye.
So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I apologize in the last clip that I didn't have on eyelashes, but I put them on once I realized I didn't have them in, and I want to let you all know that I did add a little bit more of the stallion to the outer area of the eye because I felt like with the eyelashes it just didn't give me enough of a smoky eye. So I added a little bit more to the outer edge once I added on the eyelashes because I forgot. But this is the finished look if you want to see what it looked like. It's a lot better with the eyelashes on. I feel like everything always comes together when you put the eyelashes on. I mean, the look wasn't bad before, but it's definitely much more interesting and much more enticing to wear. Now, if you all love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you're not a part of the VIP team, please press that notification bell so that you can be a part of the VIP team so that you don't forget a video. Now, I'm going to be doing another 5-in-1 challenge in the future, in the near future, because I feel like these videos seem to be very popular with you all. So if there is a palette that you all want to see me do a 5-in-1 look, please comment it below in the comment section, and whoever comments below will be entered in a mini ColourPop collection, which will include lipstick, some eyeshadow, and highlighter. So if you are interested and being a part of that competition, don't forget to comment below. You have to be subscribed to my page, like my Facebook, Instagram, and follow me on Musical.ly. Guys, I'm finally on Musical.ly. Please follow me on Musical.ly. So all you have to do is be following me on Musical.ly, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to be entered in this competition. Thank you all again for watching my video. In the spirit of me, I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Bye-bye.